Governor Kathy Hochul says every option is on the table when it comes to fighting COVID-19. She wrapped up her COVID press conference just a short while ago, and to On Your Sides, Kelly Dudzik joins me now with what the governor had to say about the COVID rates here in Western New York. Kelly.
Well, Kate, the governor says the Omicron variant is not detected in New York State just yet, but since it's already in Ontario, she expects it will show up here soon. The Western New York region still has the highest COVID rates in the state, and the governor says a surge is coming in the next couple of days because of Thanksgiving gatherings. The state is highly recommending that people wear masks indoors, and here in Erie County, a mask mandate went into effect last week. I asked the governor if she's talked with local leaders about whether they decide to move on to phase 2, where people would have to be vaccinated to go to certain places sooner than December 13th.
That'll be up to the county executive to go to phase 2 if he chooses, but we're working very hard to control this and deal. Again, my number one concern is hospital capacity, to make sure that anyone who needs hospital care, whether they have COVID, and if they have COVID and they're not vaccinated, we're dealing with that. It doesn't, those are the category if it does not have to be that way, but also other people who need medical attention should not be denied that because the beds are filled up with COVID patients, especially in the ICU.
The governor said downstate there isn't a capacity issue for hospital beds, but here it is an issue. New first at 5, I'll have more from the governor and what she had to say at today's briefing about COVID fatigue. In the Information Center, Kelly Dudzik, Channel 2 News.